On the left-hand side, go to Apps, search for Image Blender, and select the Image Blender app. This app allows you to fade images. So click on the image that you want to fade and select Fade an Image. So you can either fade the image linearly or radially. So if you want to fade the image linearly, just click on Linear, drag the 2 points here across any direction you want to fade. You can also adjust the strength of the fade here. If you want to fade the image radially, click on Radial and do the same. Drag the 2 points here across any point in the image. You can also adjust the strength levels here as well. And once you're satisfied with the results, hit Save. So now this image has been faded. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.